Hello. Continue with the voltage series feedback amplifier. Remaining parameters we have to find out remaining derivations for bandwidth with feedback and total output offset voltage with feedback. These are the two derivations today we have to study. See here, bandwidth with feedback. It is also called as cutoff frequency, bandwidth with feedback. See here, the bandwidth of an amplifier is defined as the band of frequency for which the gain remains constant. The gain bandwidth product is always constant for IC 741 and it is 1 megahertz. The gain of IC 741 is unity. The unity gain bandwidth is VGB. VGB is equal to capital A dot F0, equation number 1. See the equation number 1. Capital A, it is open loop voltage gain. F0, it is a bandwidth without feedback. F0, it is a bandwidth without feedback. Now for feedback amplifier, VGB is AF dot FF, equation number 2. See the equation number 2. VGB is equal to AF dot FF. From equation number 1 and 2, we can say that equivalent both the VGB, we can write down A dot F0 is equal to AF dot FF. So we will get FF is equal to A dot F0 upon AF. But we have AF, gain, open loop gain of the feedback circuit, is equal to A upon 1 plus AB. So we can write down FF is equal to F0 inside the bracket 1 plus AB, bracket complete. From above equation, bandwidth of non-inverting amplifier with feedback is equal to F0, its bandwidth without feedback. It is a bandwidth with feedback, that is the FF. Remember the derivation for this. FF is equal to F0 inside the bracket 1 plus AB. Now next parameter, next derivation, total output offset voltage, VOOT. VOOT. See here, as the output offset voltage due to input offset voltage and input bias current is together called as total output offset voltage. Total output offset voltage, it is nothing but it is the combination of output offset voltage and input offset voltage. The relationship between VOT due to the open loop and without feedback and with feedback is given by. It is the relation between the circuit with feedback and without feedback circuitry. It is given by VOT with feedback is equal to VOT without feedback upon 1 plus AB. See here, VOT with feedback is equal to VOT without feedback upon 1 plus AB. That is, at the saturation, VOT is equal to plus minus Vsat upon 1 plus AB. Plus minus Vsat, it is a saturation voltage. Derivation for VOT, it is VOT is equal to plus minus Vsat upon 1 plus AB. This is the total output offset voltage of non-inverting amplifier with feedback. See here, summary of voltage series feedback amplifier. First one, that is the gain of feedback circuit. B is equal to R1 upon R1 plus RF, capital AF. Second, it is a closed loop voltage gain is equal to A upon 1 plus AB, RIF. Next, RIF is equal to RI inside bracket 1 plus AB. ROF is equal to R0 upon 1 plus AB. Output resistance with feedback. FF is equal to F0 1 plus AB. And last one, VOT is equal to plus minus Vsat upon 1 plus AB. It is a summary of voltage series feedback amplifier. It is a summary of voltage series feedback amplifier, that is non-inverting amplifier. These are the required for to solving the numericals based on the non-inverting amplifier. Thank you.